Hello guys, hope you hear me well. This is the video from the morning. Hope they don't have any noise on the background. I'm gonna start today with this template on MMT. We're gonna start seeing what happened on the bigger picture. I'm gonna zoom out on the 15 minutes, but I wanna talk about order book depth, what happened on these days, on this range. So I'm gonna zoom in and I'm gonna talk about what we see in here. Clearly we see like all the time we try to hold this level for higher from the drop of the 18th of May. We couldn't go higher than 78k, and then we had the drop. Order book depth all the time was clearly positive. They were holding bids below, trying to hold price. Hold price, hold price, hold price. Even on the drop, even on the hold, they're trying to bid. Then slightly negative. They're trying to short keys the first pump after the dump, like this weekend recovery. Then they start also selling, protecting all these order block. Everybody on CT is trying to short, and actually I didn't think that they're gonna win with couldn't go with it, but they did. And yeah, aggregated spot started buying all these run up here from this drop, we can say, of the end of the weekend till yesterday spike up. All this acceleration was spot driven, and then we had the flush here, news. We will see that we actually touched a naked point of control on the daily, but also was a news on the top for me. Okay, I'm gonna clear the drawings. We're gonna go back. In my opinion, we should again reclaim monthly open. If we don't wanna close the monthly red, I would like to close the monthly completely green. I would like to go even to the Monday low reclaim. That will be good for my opinion if we're gonna hold this price action. Let me go back to this template and we're gonna see. I'm gonna update you guys. Let me see if my stuff updates. This I'm gonna update. We clearly on a range, and we are actually all the time getting denied on value area high. We actually closed it, but the news wrecked us. And then we're gonna see that was a really nice vector candle that we created on these two pushes here. I don't like when they create so many vector candles, because you will see all the vector candles to the left hand side are getting filled. Okay, we can see clearly that the positioning here from the drop, actually they start positioning bearish every exchange. You can see here Binance, Hyperliquid, Bybit. Also Bybit was pretty neutral on all this way, long shorts, but Hyperliquid and Binance are really positioning bearish. What I'm planning for today, if you are not in any position, I would wait. Clarify, I would wait. I would not touch this till we clearly get acceptance on value area low again. Probably we will get denied PUC, and this VWAP of the weekly will actually go here for today or tomorrow, even if we go up. So this is an area where will be a make or break. Acceptance above POC will go again value area high. Deny POC value area high, value area low. Sorry, will be a purely nasty deny, and actually will take us to go and clean this here. I'm gonna show you this stacked imbalance we have down here. Okay, let me go and show you this here. This is the footprint chart. Was a nasty push. You will see. I'm gonna zoom in for you guys. I don't know if you can see with the colors because I have some filters, but yeah, 42 million on the highs. Pretty. You can see this candle was a 274 million delta, 123 million OI. So I mean, much more contracts were closed on the highs, so are actually shorts getting covered on these highs than actually longs on the top and the end of the 30-minute candle. But yeah, they closed it up here, so actually that was not so much long strapped, but more shorts getting forced to cover. So with that said, then we flush back down with the news, and then we are trading below the level. And actually is from this Monday, I told you that I was looking the last stacked imbalance here around 74,800 is the last area of defense. Actually, if they don't want to clean this low and leave this low unclean, but will be for me on the daily will be like an equal. Sometimes we have been having one of these and bouncing. I'm gonna show you right in a minute. Let me check with you guys this last one is what I was saying, the vector candle template. We were pushing. I was seeing this. I was saying what we doing here. We going above the VWAP with so much volume. Then we couldn't. We reacted to the value area high. We smacked back down. Then market open, and then on market hours, New York market hours, we push again. I was pretty confident when I see these vector candles. I was expecting some lower volume and then a retest and hold of 78, but the news kicked in so fast here and we reacted really nasty. If you go back to the, I don't know, go back to the 5 minutes, you will see how we actually reacted pretty nasty to the rolling VWAP standard deviation. A lot of confluence here, major sweep. We had so many. That was not only one. Like if you wanna say it was only news, no, it was a deviation of a major sweep. We had deviation of the rolling VWAP. We have the news. It was so much pressure for this sweep to not continue that we roll over. I don't want to give any excuses to markets or news. Like it was an area where it was a make or break. Or we break and stay above and get acceptance, or we smack back in. What they did, market get so much pressure, news, the sweep was important so much as a level. They didn't continue higher. We swept, we roll over. Okay, so don't try to find another explication to what happened, because it was clear. Everybody was waiting this sweep. We are on a demand, 4-hour demand that has been no break for so long, and yeah, people are trying to defend that demand for a new low. That is what people are expecting, no? In my opinion, if we don't close above today above this value area of the range, so I would expect a close above here, above 76,500. We actually will roll over the end of the week and we will actually clean this 74. And if we clean 74, we are gonna go lower, in my opinion. Okay. One more. We're gonna see a liquidation heat map. Let me update this one, the model one. We would see we have some clear cluster on Binance, 77,300 and 77,700. I have things that they are from the drop here. People are adding to the short, so actually I would like a retest of those at least for today. I will be happy. If you want to get involved in shorts, model 2 not showing so much, some 4.75 million here, near the same, 77,300, 77,400. And model 3, we have two clusters, one on 80, one on 76, nearly 77, and underneath us 76,500. We have a big cluster. Going back to model 1, I want to check with you guys the difference between all these, and you want to see hyperliquid. Hyperliquid didn't get any liquidity. We have the liquidity really down, 73, 165 Bitcoin shorts liquidated in volume, and then we have 180, near 80. So actually hyperliquid is now really healthy, and I think this has so much room. I was expecting a 80k push for the run of stops, TPs, and liquidation we had on 78.4, I think, and we didn't get it. But well, also mention, and sorry for getting this video long, I I would like that all of the people that are following me start to see a lot CL. CL is being driven all. So all this market move is being driven by CL. CL did the move. You can see here in the chart. It will see on the cursor. All these move up and move down of Bitcoin was CL pumping. CL pumped and covered the gap, and now is rolling over. I was calling that on my Discord. Actually, you have the link on the description. That CL will actually hold 90 and will try to fill the gap, and then we will go for lower prices. Because in my opinion, if you look CL and you zoom out and you go to the 4-hour chart, sorry, you will see that I'm expecting this week to cover. Actually, this you have also a gap here, so I'm expecting. I put it here now. We driven down, but I'm expecting all these price action to cover and go back to 80 and 85k region. 85 region, and that will make the markets pump a little bit. But also we are on the drama that the big IPOs are gonna come through next month before the 25. So that is getting a little bit of fear on the market, a little bit of food, because there will be so much liquidity taken off the books of the big hedge, because they will need cash to buy this IPO. So that's the food that's now on the market. But even though market is trending up, we cannot say nothing different. You can see Nasdaq actually trend really better even than S&P. Nasdaq breaking highs, S&P couldn't even break highs. That's hilarious how Nasdaq is pushing, and even today is pushing, and the rest of the markets are just shitting on the bed. Well, with this video, hope you like it, and hope you like the new camera position. And I will do more videos of this, and if you like it, I cover some more parts on the morning video. Just leave a comment on the comment section, and I will appreciate to update with that new thing that you want, guys, that I cover on the next video. Thank you very much, and see you on the next one.